share the 5 new English words. Okay.
Patient, the ability to wait calmly.
Patience, the ability to
Patience.
wait. Alle?
Yeah.
That
Yes.
is what it is. Patience, the ability to wait. Yes.
Pits, worst possible.
Okay, can you spell the spelling, dear?
Pits.
Pits. Pits. Yes, the worst possible.
Yes. Swish, to move with a soft, sweeping or burning sound.
Swish, to move with a soft, sweeping or burning sound. Yes.
Unique, different from others.
Unique, it's unique. Okay, dear.
Unique.
Yes, unique, different
Wild.
from others. Yes.
Wild, plants and trees that grow in nature conditions.
What is the word again, dear?
Wild,
Wild, the plants and animals that
grow in nature
conditions.
conditions.
That lives in nature conditions. Yes, that wild animals and domestic animals are there. Wild plants and domestic plants are there. What is the difference between wild animals and domestic animals? The ones that we take care of in our house. Those are called domestic animals that lives under our protection, right?
Yes.
Under the shelter that we provide by taking all the foods that we give. For example, our pets, they are domestic animals, and the cows and everything, hen and everything that we take care in our house, they are domestic animals, whereas lions, deers, bears and everything that lives in the wild inside the forest that we go to see and zoo and see, all these are wild animals, right?
Yes.
Yes. So the 5 words are, can you just read the words once again?
Yes, ma'am. Patience, the ability to wait calmly. Pits, worst possible. Unique, different from others. Wild, plants and trees that grow in nature conditions.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Akshay. Now, Nihara.
Okay, thank you.
I don't want any kind of disturbance. Okay, I want you all to mute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am,
Who's
I
having
have
a
a
doubt?
doubt.
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, in North India, some people are like they are looking lions and tigers.
I didn't understand. Dear, whatever you're saying, I didn't get you.
Outside have so many people.
Hello? Hello.
Rajan, please don't interrupt in between. Yes, Sarah, I can hear you, but he was interrupting. Yes, dear, please unmute yourself and say.
അതെന്നാ ജോഷ എന്റെ പല്ലുണ്ടാവില്ല.
Yes. Christina.
Yes, ma'am. Can I read my words?
Yes, dear.
Barren, treeless or dry land.
Barren. B-A?
R-R-E-N.
E-N. Yes, barren. Yes, the meaning is?
Treeless or dry land.
Okay, dry land. Yes. Treeless or dry land. Yes.
Eternity, time that never ends.
Time that never ends. So the first word was barren, the second word was eternity, and the third one?
Accommodate.
Accommodate, yes.
To give someone place to stay.
To give someone place to stay.
Offensive, deeply annoying.
The word again, dear?
Offensive.
Offensive. Okay, offensive. Yes. The meaning.
Deeply annoying.
Okay, annoying, offensive. Yes. Next word?
Instant.
Instant. Yes.
The natural ability or inborn power.
The natural ability or inborn
Inborn power.
power. So the words are, dear. Can you just repeat those words once again, Christina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Barren, treeless or dry land.
Barren,
Eternity.
treeless
Oh.
or dry land. Yes.
Eternity, time that never ends.
Eternity, time that never ends. Yes.
Accommodate, to give someone place to stay.
Accommodate, to give someone place to stay.
Offensive, deeply annoying.
Offensive, deeply annoying. Yes.
Instant, the natural ability or inborn power.
The word again, dear?
Instant,
Instant, the natural ability or inborn power. Yes. Instinct. Yes. Thank you, Christina.
welcome.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am,
Next.
can I ask you something?
Yes, Sachin.
Are you a Marvel fan?
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know whether I can call myself a Marvel fan or something, but I do love to watch all those movies. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I don't know whether I can call myself, a Marvel fan, dear. Yes, Bhumi, what is it?
I drew my dog.
Very good, Bhumi. It's looking good. Okay. Yes,
you,
Rupika.
Excellent.
Are you going to share your screen or are you just going to read it out, Rupika? Okay. Yes, dear. I think television is running over there. Can you just switch it off or can you just switch your room, dear? Because a lot of interruptions are coming in between. So that's why. Okay. Okay, Rupika. Yes, Aishwarya is sharing some words in the chat.
Ma'am, please say my mark.
Is this Rajan?
Yes.
Yes, I was waiting for you to ask me that question, Rajan.
Ma'am,
1 minute, Rubika. How many times did I tell you to practice, Rajan? I told you 100 times to practice and send me your audio, right? Did I say that? Huh? First day also you were not ready to practice. You were in a hurry. You were like, I want to send it right now, ma'am. I will be really nervous if it is like in the evening. And you send me your audio. And I don't know. I literally don't know how I should mark your audio, Rajan. And then I asked you to send it once again. And again, you did the same without practicing. Again, I asked you to practice and send me, and you didn't do it. And you repeated the same mistake. How am I supposed to mark it? Should I give you 2 marks out of 10? I don't know how I'm supposed to give that 2 marks.
I will send you today.
If it is again like before, without practicing, if you're going to do it without practicing, then it's 0, Rajan. Nothing else.
Ma'am, how was my reading?
It was okay, dear. I will let you know about the mark. Okay, I don't have it right now.
ma'am, Sarah.
I don't have it right now. Both the sheets that I took is like attendance sheet.
Ma'am, can I say one thing to you?
Yes, Alga.
Ma'am, I had
I will send the audio today because my grandmother need operation. So
Okay,
I am in
Alga.
my mother's house.
Okay, dear.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
is my mark? I send once again.
Okay, I haven't seen yours, dear. You sent it once again.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I will check it. Okay, Adit.
I send it by
Okay. So now everyone, it was Rupika. Yes, Dara, I will let you share. Okay, Rupika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, dear.
Attached. Stuck to.
Attached. Stuck to.
Attached. Stuck to.
Hmm.
Frantically. In an excited or worried way. Swung. Moved back and forth. Breathe. To take air in and out of your lungs. Delicious. Tasting very good.
Very good. Very good. Rupika, can you just repeat those words once again? Delicious. From the start, just read out the 5 words, dear. All the 5 words.
Attached.
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 Frantically. She's having network issues, I guess.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, dear. Who's this?
Air in and out of your lungs. Delicious. Tasting very good.
Okay, okay, Rupika, keep it up, dear.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read my 5 words?
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, I will. So once we are done with Aishwarya, it's Dara, okay?
Ma'am, I said in the chat. We are not reading the story.
Yes, dear, let's just wait.
Dara,
After
can
that.
I?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I said in the chat box.
I saw the message. I saw
Ma'am,
the
excuse me,
everyone.
ma'am.
1 minute. Are we doing something? Are we doing something right now? Yes. So Aishwarya, please do share your 5 words.
Okay, ma'am. Crime, an action that is against the law.
Yes, crime.
Croak, feeble and useless old person.
Yes.
Display, put something on show in a noticeable and
Attractive way.
attractive way.
So the words are crime, an
Crime.
action that is against the law, croak, feeble and useless old person, display, put something on show in a noticeable and attractive way. Yes. So what did I ask you to do? If you want to say something, just put a hand emoji, right? Just raise your hand. I will ask you what it is, whether you want to share your screen, whether you want to share the 5 words or diary entry, whatever it is, I will ask you. What will happen if you interrupt in between? You're disrupting the class. That cannot be permitted. Okay. So when one of your peer is going to share something or is about to do the presentation, please don't interrupt in between. Okay. You need to learn that thing. Okay. And I don't want this to happen again and again. Yes. So after yes, Aishwarya?
Can I also read the news?
Are you ready with the news report, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Aishwarya EP from 40. Ma'am, today's news headlines. Ma'am, can I share the board?
Yes. Please.
Ma'am,
We can't see it yet, dear.
now you can see,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, I took the wrong one. Yes, ma'am. Punjab produced to see 300% rise in COVID cases by month end.
Punjab projected to see 300% rise in COVID cases by month end. Yes.
Yes. Unlock 1 year Z5
Subscription.
subscription.
So
on
everyone note down the word subscription. I want you guys to find the meaning of subscription. Okay, write down, note down the word subscription. Yes. Next.
subscription only with Times Prime. Bossy smell.
Booze. That is booze. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Booze smell along, not proof of into.
Intoxication. Next word. Intoxication. So the first word is subscription. The second word is intoxication. Booze smell alone, not proof of intoxication. Kerala High Court.
Ma'am, HC's full form is High Court.
Yes, HC full form is High Court.
Ma'am, what is the first word and second word?
First word is
Subscription. I will write it down. Okay, I will write it down on the board so you can just note it down later. Okay. I will share the screen once again. Yes. So the first word is subscription. The second word is intoxication. Continue, Aishwarya.
yes, ma'am. Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Ahmedabad?
Ahmedabad is a place in Gujarat. Okay.
Fourth Gujarat city to push more
Non-veg food carts of main roads.
non-veg food carts of main roads.
Of main road. So whichever stall, whichever shops are selling non-veg food, they are planning to push them in. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Gujarat ATS naps with 3 with 120 kilogram
Heroin. It's a drug.
Yes. Worth rupees 600 crore from Morbi. Karnataka hit by
Karnataka hit by insider jobs and leaks.
Job and leaks.
BJP is in Bitcoin fix.
Bitcoin, ma'am, what's Bitcoin?
Actually, there is this share market and all. So it is something related to that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bitcoin fix. To ma'am,
unidentified.
Unidentified terrorist house owner killed on
Srinagar. Again another Srinagar airport road.
Srinagar airport road police. Tamil Nadu 50 years since
the Congress. So Tamil Nadu, 50 years since the Congress faltered and never got back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I guess it's enough, Aishwarya. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear, you did a good job.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, every morning I read the news.
Very good, very good. That is a really good thing to do in order to improve your language. Okay, dear. Okay, very good. So now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to share and please take a screenshot or just write it down. So it is better to take screenshot. Okay. So the three
Ma'am,
words.
I am in laptop so that I cannot do screenshot.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
I don't know to do screenshot.
so just write it down. That's it. If you can't do screenshot, if you can't take a screenshot, just write it down. It is as simple as that.
And in that book we are right?
Yes, in rough book. Just write it down. The first word is subscription. The second word is intoxication. Mind your language. Whenever you are sitting inside the class, please keep yourself muted and mind your language.
Okay, ma'am.
So the three words, find meaning.
Three words. Find meaning. Third one, can you read?
Unidentified.
ചാർജ് ചെയ്യാൻ വെക്കിട്ടാ കറണ്ട് വന്നിട്ടില്ല ചാർജ് ചെയ്യാൻ വെക്കണോട്ടാ
Ma'am, I took a screenshot.
Okay.
And I also
Najat, mute yourself. Okay, then Aishwarya, just share the screenshot in the class accent training group. Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Can you repeat it?
You took a screenshot, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just share it in the
Yes.
accent training group. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, Dara.
Can I share the board?
Yes, Dara, you can. If you are facing any kind of network issue, you can just keep your video off for now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I can see your screen, dear.
Enjoy. Got joy or pleasure from. Wonderful. Very good. Amazing. Thinning. Making or becoming thin.
Delighted.
Delighted. Very pleasant.
Pleased. Very pleased.
Very pleasant. Company. A friend or
Friends.
friend.
The 5 words: enjoyed, wonderful, thinning, delighted, and company. Yes, thank you, Dara.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I already got the answer. I searched in Google what all these 3 words are.
What all these 3 words are. Okay, we will discuss these things next class. Okay, I want others to find. Okay, dear.
Ma'am, I sent in the accent training the screenshot.
Okay, dear. Thank you, Aishwarya.
Thank you,
Next,
ma'am.
Sarah. Sarah. Sarah is gone. Nihara.
Yes, ma'am.
You can keep your video off, Nihara,
I
and
have
please
some
do
network
share your
issue.
screen. Did Sarah say something?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, dear, you have some network issue. So if you are ready with some words, Sarah, please share it in the chat box. Okay, we will discuss it.
Lofty, high, hot potato, controversial issue, action,
Controversial
do
issue.
something that perform on the stage.
We cannot see the screen.
Even I can't see the screen, dear. It's stuck actually, right?
Ma'am, I can see double.
Yes, we can just see the wallpaper, right?
Yes.
Now it's gone. Is she there, Nihara?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please share the screen once again, dear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now we can
We can't see the words
see.
yet, but your wallpaper is there, visible. Okay. We can't see the words yet, but the wallpaper is visible.
Ma'am,
It
we
is
can see the WhatsApp.
Yes.
Ma'am, after Nihara, can I?
Evelyn, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nihara, dear, your sound is breaking. Your sound is
Yes.
breaking, dear. Can you
Hot
share, can you
potato.
send those words in the chat box, Nihara? Instead of sharing the screen, just send those words in the chat box and then we will discuss it. Okay, by the time Evelyn wants to share, right?
Ma'am, I am not sharing. I am only reading.
Okay, you can read. Nihara, please share those words in the chat box and once Evelyn is done, we will discuss those ones. Okay.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, dear.
Egg, a white food from chick. Mother, a woman with a child. Umbrella, tool used to protect from rain and sun. World, the earth we live in. Ma'am, finished.
Okay, simple words.
Ma'am,
Right?
Zia
Like
can
mother.
read story.
Zia,
Words, ma'am.
Yes,
which
ma'am.
story, dear? What kind of story?
The foggy finger.
The foggy figure. It's foggy
excuse me,
figure.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something. I didn't read Foggy Figure.
Yes, I will make you read foggy figures. Okay.
Can I see the screen?
No, not today. Today we are discussing these words. I will let you read foggy figures in the next.
water?
Yes, Preet, of course you can. So in the next class, we will be reading foggy figures. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwati.
Okay, ma'am.
That you told us to search in Google. I already searched and got the answer.
You got the answer, right? Yes. Very
Yes. I can say it.
Not now. I want others to search and find. Okay. Otherwise, they will not search.
Do we have time?
No, dear, we don't have time. Okay, Evelyn, very good. 1 minute, 1 minute. Evelyn, very good. The words you shared were like easy ones. Mother, egg. Then what was it, dear?
Gold.
Word.
Did I say yesterday? Did I say yesterday and meaning?
No.
No. Ma'am, yesterday, the day before,
Okay, the day
today,
before.
the day before today.
Today. So it's yesterday, right?
Yes.
Yes. So the 4 words: mother, egg, world, and yesterday.
Yesterday.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
she said umbrella.
Yes, umbrella also. The tool to protect yourself from rain and
Sun.
sun. Yes. Yes. Now I'm going to take attendance. I